Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Jerubet. Today I'll be taking you through detection and correction of errors in numerical analysis. And for better understanding, I'll do an example here. Detect and correct the error in the data below. Now we've been given data that is 3, 2, 3, 6, 11, 18, 21, 38, 51, 66, and 83. When you're given such a question, you're supposed to construct a finite difference table. Now, I know you know to construct a finite difference table. That is, f of x is 3, 2, 3. Now, when you're constructing a finite difference table, you're supposed to jump one line. Yeah, that one. This is the f of x. It is in that row. And now you come to the first difference. First difference, that is -1, 3. You subtract each one here. The middle of this one, 2 minus 3, you get -1. 3 minus 2, you get 1. 6 minus 3, you get 3. 11 minus 6, you get 5. You continue that way until you reach the end. You come to the second difference. When you're constructing the second difference, you use the first difference. Now you come here. 1 minus -1, that's what you get 2. 3 minus 1, you get 2. 5 minus 3, you get 2. Yeah, you continue that way. Now you're constructing the third difference. The third difference, you get 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, in this question, you're not supposed to construct the whole of the finite difference table of the data. Now, when you're correcting this error, you should note that the coefficient error in the nth order difference is the same as the binomial coefficients of 1 minus x raised to the power n, where n is the difference. When you're dealing with the first difference, n is equals to 1. With the second difference, n is equals to 2. And with the third difference, n is equals to 3. You continue that way. When you put those coefficients, it should give you an answer. And you're supposed to expand that equation. Yeah, when you're dealing with detection and correction of error. I know some of you will ask, when are we supposed to stop? Now, with the first difference, 1 minus x raised power 1, you get two coefficients. That one, it remains the same as 1 minus x. It remains the same way. It doesn't change. Now, 1 minus x, those are two coefficients. We have 1 and -1. -1x. Now, there are two coefficients, and when you look at the first difference, it doesn't have two coefficients. It has more than 2. With the second difference also, when you plug in that 2, where is 1 minus x raised power 2, you'll get 3 coefficients, of which when you look at your second difference, it doesn't have 3 coefficients. It has more than 3 coefficients. And now, when you plug in 3, 1 minus x raised power 3, you'll get 4 coefficients. And when you look at that finite difference table, the third difference has 4 coefficients. Now you should stop there. If it were not 4, you should continue that way until you get the number whereby when you raise that 1 minus x raised power nth power, you get the same coefficients as where you get that answer. Now, the coefficients of third difference, they are 1, 3, 3, and -1. Since 1 minus x3, the coefficients of the third difference is 1, negative 3, 3. The coefficients of the third difference is 1, negative 3, 3, and negative 1. You get this one by expanding these coefficients. 1 minus 3 raised to power cube. That one you get 1 minus 3x, then plus 3x squared, then minus x cube. You can clearly see that there are 4 coefficients. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, in the third difference here, we have also the 4 coefficients. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, you're supposed to locate that error. To locate the error, we use those 4 coefficients there. Let me have my pen so that I can draw that line. Now, this is the first coefficient. You draw a straight line passing there. A straight one. It should not be like mine. I'm using my free hand. Also, you draw a line here. It should be straight. That is how you locate your error. The error is at this place here, 21. As you've clearly seen, the error is in this value here, 21. Now what you're supposed to ask yourself is, what must you divide with these 4 coefficients here to get these coefficients here? 1, negative 3, 3, and negative 1. What must you divide these coefficients here so that you can get this one? You can clearly see that if you divide this one by negative 6, you get 1. By negative 6, you get negative 3. By negative 6, you get 3. By negative 6, you get 1. And now, what you're dividing with these coefficients here to get this one, that one is the error. Now your error is negative 6. Now you take the value that contains the error, of which the value is 21. You take that 21, then you subtract the error. When you subtract that way, you get 27. And that is the answer. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Till next time, bye bye. Kindly subscribe, share, and comment.